Do you want to integrate a personal AI assistant directly into your chat app? Do you want to control your computer easily through a mobile messaging app, allowing it to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, writing documents, drafting emails, and even coding for you? OpenClaw, also known as CloudBot, is one of the hottest open-source AI projects of 2026. It allows large language models to take over and operate your computer, working continuously without interruption. Since its release 3 months ago, the project has already gained over 100,000 stars on GitHub. In today's video, we'll walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to connect OpenClaw to Telegram and remotely command your computer to work for you. In the second half of the video, we'll also share several practical and impressive real-world use cases. Welcome to AI Lab! Before we begin configuring Telegram, we'll assume that OpenClaw has already been installed on your computer. If you haven't completed the installation yet, you can refer to the video linked in the top right corner, where we provide a detailed walkthrough. Step 1. Establish Telegram chatbot. First, let's create a chatbot in Telegram on your mobile phone, and then connect that bot to OpenClaw. In Telegram, go to the Contacts section and search for a special contact called BotFather. Open the chat and tap the Start button. BotFather will send you a long message. In this chat, simply send a new command, new bot. After sending this command, BotFather will guide you through creating a new chatbot. You'll first be asked to give your bot a display name of your choice, followed by a username. This username must be unique across all Telegram bots and must end with _bot. Once the username is accepted, your chatbot will be successfully created. BotFather will then send you a long message containing a very important token. Anyone who has access to this token can fully control your bot, so you must treat it like a password and keep it secure. This token is also required when connecting the bot to OpenClaw. Next, search for the AI assistant bot you just created, open the chat, and tap Start. Step 2. Add Telegram chatbot. After completing the setup on your phone, return to the computer where OpenClaw is installed. Open a terminal and run the command to add a new Telegram channel. All commands used in this video are provided in the video description below. When prompted to add a new channel, choose Yes, then select Telegram from the channel list. When choosing the account, make sure to select the default option. This is required in order to add a Telegram bot. At this step, paste the bot token you received from BotFather into the terminal and press Enter. Once the bot is added, OpenClaw will ask if you want to add another channel. Simply move the cursor to the bottom of the menu and select Finish Configuration. Before finishing, OpenClaw will ask whether you want to modify the current DM access policy. Select No to use the default policy. If you want to give your bot a custom name inside OpenCloud, you can choose Yes at the next step. Otherwise, choose No to complete the setup. Step 3. Verify Telegram chatbot. Once the configuration on the computer is complete, you'll receive a verification code from OpenClaw inside your Telegram bot chat. This code must be entered back into OpenClaw to complete the pairing process. In the terminal, enter the command OpenCloud pairing approve Telegram, then input the verification code you received. After the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the pairing was successful. Performance demo. Now you can directly interact with OpenClaw from your phone. For example, you can send it a BBC News link and ask it to summarize all the articles and save the results to your computer. Within moments, OpenClaw will complete the task and confirm that the summary has been saved as a markdown file on your machine. This is what makes OpenClaw unique. It not only chats with you inside messaging apps, but also performs real work directly on your computer remotely. Integrates with other chat apps. Currently, OpenClaw supports many chat platforms, including WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord. However, most of them require much more complex setup. For example, adding a Discord account requires creating a developer application and a bot, while using WhatsApp officially requires a dedicated phone number for OpenClaw. For users who prefer to use a single phone number, this can be inconvenient. After extensive testing, Telegram is by far the easiest platform to integrate with OpenClaw and is also the officially recommended option. OpenClaw is still under active development, and because user environments and software versions vary, you may encounter errors during setup or experience issues after configuration. If you run into any problems, feel free to leave a comment under the video with the specific error messages. We'll do our best to help you complete the setup. You can also visit the OpenClaw GitHub repository to find similar cases and solutions. If you'd like to learn more ways to use OpenCloud and explore the latest AI tools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more exciting content about OpenClaw and artificial intelligence in future videos.
Woo!